Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the mountains, there lived a wise Zen master. People from far and wide sought his guidance on how to find inner peace. One day, a troubled young man approached the Zen master with a heavy heart, seeking his wisdom. Young man. Master, I am tormented by inner turmoil and seek solace. How can I find inner peace? Zen master, my dear friend, inner peace is not something to be found outside of ourselves. It resides within, waiting to be discovered. Let me share a story with you. The Zen master motioned for the young man to sit beside him under a beautiful cherry blossom tree. The gentle breeze rustled the leaves, creating a sense of serenity. Zen master, once, there was a great river that flowed through a bustling city. People would come to the river seeking peace and tranquility, only to be met with its raging currents and turbulent waters. They wondered how to find solace amidst such chaos. One day, a wise sage arrived at the riverbank. He observed the frantic efforts of the people trying to tame the river. Curious, the sage approached a young man struggling against the current. Sage, why are you fighting against the river? Young man, I seek peace, but the river's force prevents me from finding it. Sage, peace does not lie in taming the river but in understanding its nature. Let go of resistance and observe. With those words, the young man ceased his struggle and simply watched the river. He noticed how the water flowed effortlessly, embracing every twist and turn. Slowly, a realization dawned upon the young man. He saw that by surrendering to the river's natural flow, he could navigate its currents with ease. The turbulent waters no longer hindered his peace of mind. Master, what does this story teach us about finding inner peace? Zen master, the river symbolizes the mind, and the struggles we face are the ripples of thoughts and emotions. Just like the young man, we often try to control or resist these currents, causing inner turmoil. However, when we learn to observe our thoughts without judgment and surrender to the flow of our own being, we discover the stillness within. The young man, inspired by the Zen master's story, sat quietly beside him, watching the cherry blossoms fall and feeling the peace that comes from embracing the present moment. Young man, master, I understand now. Inner peace is not something to be achieved through external means but by finding stillness within ourselves. Zen master, indeed, my friend. The power of stillness lies within each of us. Embrace the flow of life, observe your thoughts, and surrender to the present moment. In doing so, you will discover the eternal calm that resides within you. The young man left the Zen master's presence with a newfound clarity and determination to cultivate inner peace through the power of stillness. And as he continued his journey, he carried the wisdom of the story in his heart, spreading the message of inner peace to all he encountered.